let's go. Today, our class was having a discussion on Viksit Bharat.
Oh, that's nice. But what is this Viksit Bharat? I've heard a lot of people talking about it.
As per today's discussion, Viksit Bharat signifies an India that is economically strong, socially inclusive, and technologically advanced. It's about creating a future where every citizen has equal rights to quality education and healthcare.
That's a powerful vision. But what are the key areas where India needs to focus to achieve this goal?
There are several pillars I believe are crucial. First, infrastructure. We need smart cities, smart transportation, and reliable energy. Second is education and skill development, preparing the upcoming generations for the rapidly changing global economy. And third is healthcare, which ensures that our citizens are not only educated but are also healthy and are able to contribute.
But wait, is Viksit Bharat only about economic growth or does it have a wider sense to it?
Certainly, Viksit Bharat has a broader sense to it. For example, NEP 2020 enhances Viksit Bharat by promoting critical thinking, vocational training, and multilingualism. Foundational literacy and numeracy (FLN) ensures that children can read and do basic maths by grade 3. Nipun Bharat aims that all children achieve these skills through teacher training and assessments.
I understand what you're saying, but why is multilingualism even needed in our learning processes?
You know what? Sir was talking about NEP and multilingualism in the assembly. Let's ask Krishnan sir to clarify our doubts.
And why is it a part of NEP 2020?
Let's ask Krishnan sir to give us a better explanation on this.
Thank you Anaya, thank you Tanvi. Multilingualism is very important because we learn mother tongue first, and the language you learn first, you learn the other things very nicely in that language. Otherwise, the language you speak at home and the language you learn with in the school is, if it is different, then the learning will be lopsided and stunted. So ensuring that learning going smoothly and very properly, the multilingualism, given the kind of linguistic diversity in our country, is very important. And it is also in the democratic spirit that every language is getting the chance in the country. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. All our doubts have been clarified. Now I understand the importance of NEP and its role in Viksit Bharat.
It's amazing to think about the changes NEP and multilingualism would get to our country.
That's true, Anika. If we all work together, then we'll be a part of an amazing transformation.
Come, let's go fast. We have work to do.
Thank you.